I have a problem. While I was focusing on finishing this greenhouse, these potatoes were left behind. They are bone dry, they are hungry, and they are stressed. Is it too late? Maybe. But today we are trying a rescue mission. We will be using our liquid gold, which we made in a previous episode, and you can watch the video here in the corner or over there in the corner. But we will be using our liquid gold to see if we can give them an extra push, some energy to get to the final stage, harvesting our potatoes out of containers. Now look at the soil. It's completely depleted. Potatoes, they need enough moisture, enough nutrition to grow those tubers, to have potatoes at the end of the harvest season, of course. And since I missed the watering schedules, the potatoes, they stop growing. They have some yellow leaves. Of course, we are coming to the harvest period. I need to wait 2 more weeks. My goal today is to rehydrate them because they were in the polytunnel the whole time, from putting the potatoes in the containers till 3 days ago. And we had some unusual hot weather. We had some temperatures of 20 degrees in the shade. So in the polytunnel it was almost 40 degrees. That's not so good for our potato plants, and especially if you don't water them. So the goal today, rehydrate our potatoes, give them some nitrogen, some potassium with our liquid fertilizer, and hopefully we can recover them from the lost time they had, because I was building the greenhouse. You just can't apply fertilizer straight away because the soil is bone dry. When we will pour fertilizer, water over it, the soil has lost its capabilities of capturing water. If you add water or fertilizer to it, when it's bone dry, it will just the fertilizer, the water will just leach through the containers, and they don't use the fertilizer. So I will first give them a water to rehydrate the soil, and afterwards we can apply our fertilizer to see if we can still fix our potatoes in our containers. So normal water, you see the water is coming straight through because the soil hasn't have the options to soak in the water. So first do a couple of waterings, and then afterwards we will add our fertilizer. And also now for 3 days in a row we have some rainy weather, so I moved them from the polytunnel outside to fix the soil as fast as possible, of course. But now we will make our liquid fertilizer. Our buckets of liquid fertilizer, which we made in a previous episode. I will add one more thing. Worm juice from the wormery, so we will make a mix of our liquid fertilizers. So we will make a mixture. So this is just rainwater from my rain collection. Worm juice, I just emptied the bucket in the morning, this is not so strong as our liquid fertilizer, so you don't need to be careful with this. We can pour it all in. And now we will have our 2 buckets of liquid fertilizer. So this is the fertilizer of 1 year old. with almost clear water, as you can see. So I will add one and a half spoon of the 1-year-old fertilizer, very concentrated. And this is our bucket, which we made on one of the previous videos we made here on YouTube. So as you can see, and it smells like, as well, but there is mold on it. It's no problem. This is still decomposing, but yeah, you need to be careful with this because it's very strong. So I will take a half a spoon of this liquid fertilizer. Yeah, and the smell of this is, it's as well. Yeah, as well. If normal people smell this, they think you're crazy when you were applying it onto your vegetables. But growing vegetables is, it's a cycle of life, like all of the things here on planet Earth. Our second watering, now with rainwater and liquid fertilizer, in the hope of having a harvest, of course, because I'm not sure if you can see it, but the leaves are turning yellow. It's due to actually non-watering, too high temperatures. So I neglected them. But our second watering. And inside this potato container experiment, of course I've grown a lot of potatoes in containers, in buckets, in all sort of things. But like I mentioned, another experiment in an experiment, because, and I will show you, but I will tell you, I did healing, so I added compost to the containers, but not in all of them. That's due, my compost system was over there, now it's moved to another location, but because I was storing compost in bags for the greenhouse, I didn't have enough compost to heal. At the end we will see, does healing give us a bigger harvest, but the harvest is for in 2 weeks. For now they can grow. We feed them with liquid fertilizer. So the greenhouse build was a success, but I won't know if this rescue mission is a success because I need to wait until harvest day to find out if we have some small marble potatoes or huge tubers. So this is something that I don't know for the moment, because I need to wait till harvest time to see if we have some actual potatoes. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to notify when we are posting a new video, because in the next video, or within 2 videos or 3 videos, we will tip these containers in a wheelbarrow to see what harvest we have. So that's it for this episode. We did an update on our potatoes in buckets. For now, I would say happy gardening and see you in the next. Peace.